Thank you, sir. The subject matter of this email related to how Mr. Alexander was treating Miss Arias, right?
Part of it.
And how it wasn't in a very kind way, right?
I don't recall. I'd really like to read the first part of the letter, what I said to him.
The portion you just read.
Yes.
You expressed to Mr. Alexander, and I know you're trying to wiggle out of it with context, but the ultimate reality is...
And second, he's asking about the content. You ordered him not to talk about content.
All right.
No, you asked summation, and that's what I'm talking about. I'm not asking specific statements. I'm asking a summary of the substance.
All right. Begin again. Mr. Hughes, do not answer the question until the prosecutor has an opportunity to make an objection. Go ahead, Mr. Merriman.
The subject matter of this email, the portion that you read just now, dealt with how Mr. Alexander, in general, wasn't treating Jodi right, correct?
And again, to violate your order, he's trying to get in what the email says. He can be asked. It deals with treatment between the two of them. He doesn't have to characterize it.
All right. I'm going to overrule the objection to that specific question. You may answer.
Yes.
You also had conversations with this man here, right? Detective Flores?
Yes.
And during those conversations, do you recall Detective Flores saying, you could see Travis losing it with Jodi and throwing against her a wall, right?
Relevance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Let me ask you, Mr. Hughes, what was your reason for contacting Mr. Searcy?
I was curious.
Curious about what?
Curious why he was on the defense list.
And your reason for telling him that I was a quote-unquote snake. Why did you tell him that?
I don't recall calling you a snake, but I did say something to that effect.
Okay. And what was your point of doing that?
He was talking about the prosecution. I was talking about the defense.
Were you attempting to dissuade him from cooperating with Miss Arias?
No.
Were you attempting him to caution him about me?
No. Just expressing my opinion.
Expressing your opinion. No reason for doing it, right?
No.
That's your testimony? None. Okay. If you were called to testify on Miss Arias' behalf, would you be happy about that?
No, I would not.
Why not?
Because she murdered my friend in cold blood.
Would you cooperate?
Yes, I would.
Okay. Now, you made the comment during your testimony that Mr. Searcy was a man who liked the attention of the media, right?
Limelight, yes.
Okay. But specifically, you even mentioned the attention of the media, right?
I don't know that I said that.
Okay.
I don't recall.
You gave interviews with the media, right?
One.
Okay. Several hours, right? With CBS?
48 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. To your knowledge, you haven't seen Mr. Searcy interviewed anywhere about this case, have you?
No, I have not.
Okay.
He was irrelevant.
Redirect.
Sir, with regard to this case, before you were here in the Phoenix area on Sunday, when was the last time you spoke to the prosecutor, Juan Martinez?
3 years ago.
And were there ever any emails exchanged between you and Mr. Martinez during that 3-year period?
None whatsoever.
You indicated that you would not be happy to testify in this case on behalf of the defendant, but if you were subpoenaed, would you comply with process?
Of course.
I don't have anything else.
Thank you. You may step down.
Thank you.